And special thanks to ZOMAKE, who was nice enough to send us this small travel umbrella. Got their little logo there, ZOMAKE, very nice. Has a nice little case in it. Nice button there, wow, okay. So let's, this is very compact. I like this a lot. I mean, that's a compact umbrella. Let me take this outside and show you what it would look like. All right, let's check out this umbrella. So nice, included little carrying case, and then little Velcro strap. There we go, there we go. And then it looks like you can hit one button, and boom.
Nice.
It's open. Oh yeah.
Oh, it's petite too. Like it's little just for one person.
It's just the perfect size for you, babe.
It really is.
Spin it real quick. I want to see if there's a logo anywhere. So yeah, no logo or anything. I like that, just plain black. And the perfect umbrella to either block the sun or block the rain.
It feels like it'd be heavy duty too, withstand the wind.
Nice. Yeah,
Unfortunately, we don't have rain.
I have to say, that is some heavy duty like springs and stuff that I normally don't see in umbrellas when I have one. Nice.
Yeah.
And then closing it, just one button again, and it collapses down nice and easy. So thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.